Okay, Daddy's going to test out the brains. Let's get a good picture of the brains on the camera. Slimy, gut, bowl, barf. Oh, sorry, it's not the brains. Wait a minute. I lied. This is the zombie barf, not the brains. Are you ready, Daddy? Is it going to be yummy? What do you think, kiddos?
Yeah!
Okay, go for it, Daddy.
I think it's gonna do it.
Put it all in there. Put it all in there. Oh, Riley's having a little bit of the barfing going on back there.
I can't do it, guys.
Right. You would suck at Fear Factor. Riley, I dare you to get that and try to eat it now.
No!
Everybody ran away.